Lovelies. So today we're going to get inspired by this really fun wig from Sam's Beauty right here. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as the little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. So like I mentioned, this wig is from Sam's Beauty and she is from Outre and her name is Jhalay. And this wig comes in so many colors that it is so much fun and it's really hard to choose which wig to get. So I did get her in this really pretty purple color and I just love purple. It is so good. And what I really loved about this purple color is it's kind of like a smoky purple and it kind of fades definitely, as you can see, into this like smoky silver tone right here. So let's just actually take a little bit more of a look as we're talking about it. So as you can see, she's actually a pretty like blunt cut right here, a blunt straight little bob. And then she just has these very fun like little sassy wave, like this wave pattern is just so cute. She does have black roots, as you can see, and then she also has some pre-cut baby hairs, which is really nice. Let's get into the wig construction. So she does have medium tone lace right here, and she has, as we'll see more, a really nice parting, solid 4 inches. She has 2 combs right here, kind of on the side back part right here, and then she does have 1 big comb in the back. As for her wig cap size, now she has pretty good stretch right here, but she's definitely more on the small to medium size cap. But she does have good stretch, so you can probably get her on if you need a large wig cap. Let's just put this girl on. So I do have a nude wig cap that I got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99, and I put my wigs on front to back. Oh my gosh, she is so adorable. I just cannot handle it. I love it. So let's just take a little look at this lace and see what we're working with. So she definitely, you know, she isn't bad, but naturally I feel like any wig can definitely need a little bit of plucking, but you know, she's pretty good and you probably won't need to do much plucking because she'll be straight like this. So if anything, maybe just in the front right here, but you've got these really great pre-cut baby hairs where you can lay that down. So let's just take our scissors and cut off this lace. And she didn't have really any shedding at all, so extremely minimal. So actually what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take my powder right here and just kind of powder up this crease really quickly. I literally can't get over how cute this wig is. It just feels so good on my head. So I'm just going to do a little flip around so you can see what she's all about from all around. I was thinking about kind of like shifting her to the side to see if you can, you know, shift it, if it would work out really well. Well, I feel like that really won't work just because of this watercolor ombre going on, because if you shifted it, you know, on this side right here, which could be really cute, but you would really have to cut off like this ombre part, which may look definitely a little weird, right? So, you know, she is definitely meant down the middle, and you know, I never wear my hair down the middle, but this is adorable. This wig is from Sam's Beauty, and definitely check out those colors, and please let me know if you have this wig in any other colors or this color. I seriously want to see you in this wig because it is amazing. So reach out to me on Instagram. That is such a great way for you to send me pictures of you and your wigs and your makeup and you just having the time of your life, because life is short. Wear a wig and have fun. And most importantly, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous in this most gorgeous watercolor bob wig, wear it, love it, and own it. I want to thank you, and we